Finally, the bench just came in. FedEx just dropped it off, and I'm gonna unbox it now so you guys can see. I'm gonna do a couple of workouts with the bench, and like that you guys can see. Just a couple of workouts that you can do with the bench as you recline it midway down and all the way up. Do some bench press. Let's do this. Hi, Pity.
Who's the best girl? I'm building a house, but I need to go to the bathroom.
Where are you building the house?
Come with me.
Roblox?
Yes, and I'm building it for Daddy. It has a good start so far, I think. The car was very much money, so I'm not buying anymore.
So explain to me everything that you're building right
Okay, so this is going to be like the living room, aka library room.
Okay.
Where like books are. And this is going to be like okay, no. This will be the living room. This will be like the reading room. This will be the kitchen. And I had to delete a few walls because I want like a fence around it.
Okay.
And then you can decide the colors for everything.
Cool. That
Hey.
looks good.
Okay, so and then the second floor I'll do like once I'm done with everything downstairs, and I'll do the basement when I'm done with everything upstairs.
Okay.
It's really hard.
All right, we're back. So here we have the workout bench, which folds, which is pretty awesome. You can store it anywhere you want in your house, any like little corners. So as you can see, it's folded right now, and it's really self-explanatory. I mean, you have literally 4 steps. So caps here go in the bottom where the legs go, so like that, if you need to move it, it doesn't scratch the floor. So these are rubber, and you get 4 of these. And we have 2, which I haven't figured how to use these yet, but there's these 2 ropes here that you connect in the front, and we'll go through that once it's built. I'll show you what that's for. And here you have just a couple of tools, like you have a wrench and literally these much things to attach to, and that's basically it. So it looks pretty simple. If I get into any trouble, I'll let you guys know, but we're gonna build this real quick, do a little fast forward so you guys won't be bored just watching me build this. But yeah, if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below, and yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna quickly show you the setup. See, it's pretty much all built already. I'm gonna quickly show you how easy it was to put in. So these are just caps for all 4 legs. So you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you just take them out, you put them back in, really simple. And these ropes, and I'll show you that in a second. They're pretty easy. You just connect them. It's like a clip here. You can take them off, put them back on there, and just make sure you tighten all the bolts. And this here, don't mind Kat, she's working out and laughing over there to the instructor. But yeah, so here this reclines, and I'm gonna show you that quickly right now. Let me see if I can do this with my left hand. And so you take this off, right? This little key. So as you can see, it reclines all the way down as much as you want, and you can do different weight workouts with that. And then once you put it to where you want it, let's say if you want it all the way up, you can also just make sure before you sit, you put back this key here. Pretty simple to put in and to take out. So now I'm gonna just put this like over here, because I'm gonna do some weights and I'll show you guys quickly. And I didn't really have any trouble putting all this together. It's pretty simple, and like I said, there's 4 steps. This is the paper, the instructions here. Basically, you have everything here that you need. I have my weights here. And for these ropes right here, you basically can put your feet down here. I mean, you can do other workouts with this, but this is basically, you just, lift up for the tension. That's that. I have to see what other workouts I can do with this. But yeah, so that's what you do with that. Or you can actually, I believe, roll back like this. And this over here, you can potentially do some sit-ups as well. You put your feet underneath here or over, because you're gonna have this bar here holding your legs up, so you can go back, go up. Just make sure all the bolts are tight. If you feel like it's loose, then that means you have to tighten it some more. What else do we have? Yeah, so I'm gonna quickly lift some weights and show you guys the different reclining segments that you can do with this. This feels, I mean, for the price, again, it folds, and I'll show you that as well. This feels really sturdy. The padding feels really smooth, comfortable. I mean, it's simple. You're just gonna sit or lay down and do some workouts. I like the color. I'm not sure if it comes in different colors, but I'll put this bench in the links down below so you guys can check it out. It's from Amazon. I believe I paid around $70. They also have it on eBay. So yeah. Alright, now let's get some workout. So you can see Kat, she's over there enjoying herself. Kat, she can't hear me. She's bumping to some music. There she goes. There she goes. So that was a bit of a demonstration on the workout bench. Whew. And now I'll show you guys how to close it. Again, it's really compact, so you can actually take this if you're traveling, which I will be doing when we go away in a few weeks. Yeah, it's pretty simple. So it closes like really small. So basically how you close this is you just take, I believe there are 3 or 4 of the keys. So once you take those out, you can actually, you know, fold it together. So I'm gonna do that right now. So there's one over here. There's one for the actual recliner over here. That's 2. And then there's another one in the base over here in the center. Not center, but like on this end over here. That's 3. And I think that's it. So now we're gonna try to fold it close. Let's see how this goes. You see how I'm closing this part? So when you have your bench like this upside down, after you take out those 3 keys from the bench, then you want to turn it, then you want to flip it over. You want to make sure this knob here is loose, or you can take it off. Make sure you push this metal piece all the way back until you see it move, and then you'll be able to put it down just like that. Then the recliner part, you just fold over all the way down. And now, as you can see, it's nice and folded, and it's portable. You can put it, you know, you can take it with you when you're traveling. With your weights, you can put it in any corner in your house. So yeah, that's pretty much it. These are the caps for these right here. They're easy to put, so it won't scratch your floor. And that pretty sums it. Spin bike, soon to be mine, because she, like I said in the previous videos, that she had ordered a Peloton bike. We're waiting for that. This has been an amazing video. This workout bench is really cool. It's nice and compact. It does a lot of workouts. I have to figure out what other workouts to do, but I know that there's a lot more things to do with this bench. Like I said, I'll put this bench down in the links down below. And this is Ariel Diaz, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I almost tripped on these weights here. And we will say until the next time, peace.